Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check purchase date of any iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to check the purchase date of your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for general option. Just tap on it, and here just tap on about. And here, if you have any iPhone, so you have two ways to check the purchase date. The first of all, you have to open your warranty, limited warranty option, and here you will get the warranty of your iPhone if it doesn't expire. So here you can see you will get the warranty of your iPhone, and here the iPhone warranty is 1 year later of your purchase date, so you can easily estimate the purchase date from here. But there's the second way. You have to copy the serial number of your iPhone. Once you have copied, you just have to open your browser, and here just go for a website which is checkcoverage.apple.com. Here's the checkcoverage.apple.com. You must have to enter the website, and here you have to enter the serial number of your phone. Just paste the copied serial number here. Once you have entered, just tap on submit, and it will take a moment and it will tell you the purchase date of your iPhone. So in this way, you can easily check the purchase date of any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.